Number 3 is the Ovsuqu A3 R1390 DTF transfer printer. Introducing the Ovsuqu A3 R1390 DTF transfer printer, the ultimate 2024 solution for fabric printing. With many features, this printer is the perfect choice for transforming your creative visions into stunning reality on various fabric and material types. Experience unparalleled detail and vibrant colors with the printer's advanced 6-color print head, ensuring extraordinary prints. This printer offers exceptional convenience with a maximum input sheet capacity of 100 and the flexibility to handle sheet sizes up to 297 by 420 millimeters. Despite its impressive capabilities, it maintains a compact footprint, measuring just 33.07 by 18.9 by 14.96 inches. Operating the printer is effortless, including a comprehensive user manual and an instructional video accompanying the machine. The Ovsuqu A3 DTF printer is shipped promptly via reliable carriers such as DHL, UPS, and FedEx, ensuring you can dive into your projects without delay. Its versatility truly shines when it comes to printing materials. It can easily handle a wide range of fabrics, including cotton, polyester, and textiles, as well as everyday items like t-shirts, jeans, hoodies, bags, caps, socks, and even shoes. Moreover, it extends its capabilities to leather items such as bags, wallets, and basketballs. If you're interested in this DTF printer, check out the link in the description box below.